Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) goes tough on illegal trading. Debt Management Office (DMO) to issue May Federal Government of Nigeria savings bond at 17.4% and 18.4% highest rate ever. Plus, oil edges up after Israel strikes Gaza, while truce talks continue. Our guest today is Haniel Hamisu Jafaru, Executive Director, HTC Academy. The program is Business Express, reaching you from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. I am Neka Oku, your guide. Let's start by telling you that the Debt Management Office has opened the subscription offer for May Federal Government Savings Bonds priced at 1,000 Naira per unit. The 2-year savings bond maturing on May 15, 2026 is to be offered at an interest rate of 17.407% per annum. The 3-year savings bond with a maturity date of May 15, 2027 features an interest rate of 18.407% per annum. These interest rates represent the highest ever offered by the DMO on federal government savings bonds as the country moves to the direction of a further rate hike. Data from the National Pension Commission (PENCOM) have revealed that Nigeria's pension fund assets dropped marginally to 19.669 trillion naira for the period ended 31st March 2024. This represents a marginal decrease of about 0.45% when compared with 19.759 trillion naira reported as net asset value in February 2024. This was contained in the Commission's monthly report for March 2024, released by PENCOM. We now take a pause to see some business developments around the world. Welcome back. Now, in a bid to rid the virtual asset space of illegal trading activities, the Securities and Exchange Commission has reaffirmed that it will go all out to act decisively to uphold the integrity of the capital market and protect the interests of all investors. This was stated by Acting Director General of SEC, Dr. Emomotimi Agama, during a virtual meeting with the Blockchain Industry Coordinating Committee of Nigeria, the umbrella body of all major blockchain and cryptocurrency associations in Nigeria. Agama stated that SEC Nigeria will not hesitate to utilize all the powers within its mandate to handle issues that are negative and pose a threat to national interest, saying that the Commission has come as a partner to seek collaboration in making sure that the capital markets community is one that is respected globally for decency and fair play. He further stated that one of the things that needs to be done is delisting the Naira from peer-to-peer space in order to avoid the level of manipulation that is currently happening, and joining participants in the crypto space to be patriotic enough to name and shame those that are involved in disrupting the markets negatively. On Tuesday, after Israel struck Rafah in Gaza, while negotiations for a ceasefire with Hamas continued without resolution, Brent futures were up 46 cents at $83.79 per barrel, while U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude futures rose 46 cents to $78.94 a barrel. Prices had edged upward on Monday, partially reversing the declines of last week, in which both contracts posted their steepest weekly lows in 3 months, with the focus on weak U.S. jobs data and the possible timing of a Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Gold prices inch high on U.S. rate cut bets, Middle East wars. Let's see how much other commodities are trading around the world. The Central Bank of Nigeria is partnering the West African Institute for Financial and Economic Management to equip member countries to address global challenges affecting the West African region. To this end, a regional workshop is organized to train participants on project management, monitoring, and evaluation in Abuja.
And as government and organizations assess, design, and implement crucial interventions, an important component of project management implementation that requires due attention is the monitoring and evaluation design.
We want to build their capacity to increase their knowledge of monitoring and evaluation and implementation of projects, especially in the result-based format, so that they can detect any early warning that is required in terms of project implementation, and ensure that projects are well implemented in all our countries.
To the capital markets, the equities market closed first trading day of the week on a bearish note as investors lose 499.7 billion naira. The all-share index fell by 0.89% to close at 98,703.68 basis points. A total of 421.7 million shares valued at 8.9 billion naira exchanged hands in 10,624 deals as market capitalization ended the session at 55.8 trillion naira. Cornerstone Insurance Company led the gainers with 10% share price appreciation, closing at 1 naira 98 kobo per share, followed by Guinea Insurance, Wando, and Wema Bank. European stocks opened higher as global markets brighten. UBS up 7%. Let's join Maria for an update. Hello, Maria.
Hello, Neka. European markets had a positive start to trading on Tuesday as traders monitor a flurry of earnings report in the region. Swiss banking giant UBS beat analysts' expectations as it returned to a quarterly net profit after 2 successive losses. DAX jumped 0.49%, FTSE 0.51%, CAC 2 was up 0.58%. In Asia, South Korea stocks led gains in the markets after Wall Street rose overnight on expectations that the Federal Reserve could cut interest rates soon. The Nikkei rose 1.57%, Shanghai Composite 0.10%, and the Hang Seng Index 0.75%. U.S. stock futures flicker near the flat line Tuesday morning as the Dow Jones Industrial Average wraps its 4th positive day in a row. Dow futures are up 0.05%, S&P 500 0.00% marginal, and the Nasdaq Composite 0.08 negative. African stocks are trading in the green as South African JSE Top 40 appreciated 0.45%. Namibia by 0.26%. That's it from the global market. I am Maria Adozakari. Back to you, Nneka.
Thank you, Maria. This is where we end today's edition of Business Express. We value your feedback, so keep the comments, observations, and suggestions coming. Be informed that all previous episodes are available on YouTube on the NTA's channel. Business Express returns tomorrow at 3 p.m. I am Nneka Ugo.